Alagang Kapatid Foundation Inc. or ACFI, the corporate social responsibility arm of TV5 Network in the Philippines, is simultaneously conducting relief work for Cebu earthquake victims and those left in the trail of destructions by Typhoon Paulo. With us now for more is Menchi Silvestre, Executive Director of ACFI. Magandang umaga, Menchi. Welcome to the program.
Magandang umaga, Kathy. Good morning to all your televiewers and of course your followers.
So, kamusta na ang relief work sa Northern Cebu? Because as I understand, you've already been doing relief work in Northern Luzon.
Kathy, I have to admit our team currently in Masbate will be crossing to Bogo, Cebu sometime today. So ngayon pa lamang araw na ito, maaring magsimula ang ating operations in Northern Cebu. But again, we assure you we will be covering all the possible municipalities and cities in the neighboring towns of Bogo. We will not just concentrate in Bogo at napakarami pang ibang mga communities surrounding Bogo City that are affected. And yes, correct, Kathy, we have also been operating in Northern Luzon because of the super typhoons that happened right before Opong. Nandyan ang Nando, ang Mirasol, and it made landfall almost 6 times. Opong halimbawa made landfall ng 6 na beses sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas at sinisikap natin pa rin na marating ito. Kathy, we have stepped up our operations, nagdagdag tayo ng teams so that we can simultaneously serve different regions or different provinces all at the same time para hindi ito maghihintay naman ng ating mga kababayan, Kathy.
Yeah, tell us about the challenge, no? The fresh challenge that we face. Sunod-sunod ang mga sakuna, whether it be a typhoon or an earthquake. And paano ba tayo humihingi ng tulong sa iba? We can't go it alone. This is also becoming more frequent and so impossible to take care of two things at the same time and in different places in the country.
Kathy, ang isang maipagmamalaki ng Alagang Kapatid Foundation is because we have the backing of the MVP foundations as well. So pagka ang ating mga kapatid sa ibang mga kumpanya at ibang mga foundations ay nagsisilbi na sa isang lugar, we do not duplicate it anymore. If I may mention, PLDT Smart Foundation, Metro Pacific Investments Foundation, Juan Meralco Foundation, Maynila, Makati Medical Center Foundation, lahat ito tumutulong sa atin din, Kathy. Even the business centers of the different companies are also working, Kathy. Hindi lamang naman po ang Alagang Kapatid. And that makes it sustainable for us. But again, that is really a challenge, Kathy, lalo na pag walang pahinga yung dating ng mga kalamidad, gaya na naman itong nangyayaring ito. Although we were kind of pre-warned, Kathy, di ba sinabi sa atin na talagang La Nina na tayo up to December. So again, we try not to spread ourselves thinly hanggat sa kinakayanan, hindi pwede ring ubos-ubos ang biyaya, kung kaya we try to allocate the goods that we have, and we're very grateful. Other foundations like Metrobank Foundation, ASA Philippines have really given very generous donations, including the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Again, Kathy, we keep on flashing also our bank accounts, our Maya QR code, para patuloy lamang din even the private donors keep coming, Kathy.
Sa mga gustong mag-contribute at mag-donate, ano ang kanilang maaasahan? Ano pa ang planong gamitin itong mga additional funds na papasok? Saan siya gagamitin? Ito ba'y para sa Northern Luzon o sa Northern Cebu?
Kathy, I just have to get my listahan na. So again, Aurora Province, Isabela and Cagayan Province in the north, kailangan pa nating iserve ito. Ang Abra, gayon din, ang Oriental Mindoro, kung saan naglandfall din ang bagyong Opong, ang Romblon, dito rin po ay naglandfall ang bagyong Opong. And again, sabi ko nga, we will try our very best to have 3 teams simultaneously working in Northern Luzon, Southern Tagalog, and again in Northern Cebu para itong inyong tulong na inyong ipinagkakatiwala naman po sa Alagang Kapatid Foundation ay kagyat or immediately ay maipadala namin dito. And again, hopefully with enough resources, Kathy, up to yung kanilang pagbangon, yung recovery phase nitong mga lalawigan na ito ay maging bahagi pa rin tayo, Kathy. So again, we flashed our bank accounts. Andyan po yung mas madali. Just scan our QR code if your banks are PH enabled, QRPH enabled. So please scan our QR code. Any bank, any amount, we welcome that. And of course, we have our Banco de Oro, Metro Bank, and BPI accounts. We also have our Cebuana, Luwilier account. So mga kapatid, sundan lang din po ninyo our Facebook page, Alagang Kapatid Foundation Incorporated. Makikita po ninyo doon kung saan natin dinadala ang inyong tulong. We're very transparent as immediately as possible para agad-agad nababalitaan ninyo kung saang mga lugar na ang narating namin. In Masbate alone, we were able to serve 6 municipalities, not just Masbate City. Talagang ginalugad natin, Kathy, yung mga isolated and least served na mga municipalities, and that's what we're going to do in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks.
Okay, looking forward to those updates, Menchie. And ingat kayo, saan kayo mapadpad at para tumulong. Salamat na marami, Menchie Silvestre of ACFI.